Who's ringing the doorbell at this timing, bro? There's no one.
Well, I guess it's fine. Let's just go to sleep.
Oh my gosh, again? Let me go check. Who's playing these pranks? Stop. You serious again? I'm super mad right now. Oh, hi there. Who? Okay, so basically. Yo, bro, why are you getting close to me? Yeah, that's so weird. He was also coming close to me.
That is not acceptable. Let's go call the cops. Okay, guys, basically, we called the cops. The cops came and they said that they're gonna try to look for the person.